Got today a Vodafone vf695. It's not charging, so we're going to open it and see what is happening there. 1 2 3 4 screws, remove them. I've already tested it, it's not charging. The best way to test what I see nowadays is that to see that if phone has some other problem or it's really the charging pin, just connect and check on the meter that if it is passing any voltages. It's giving low voltages or no voltages, so that means the charging pin is not connecting properly. Let's open it quickly, remove the screws. There are some clips here. I'm just gonna pause it quickly. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These clips, they come off. That's the touch. This is the LCD connector. Remove them. This LCD is sticking with the board, so most probably, as you can see, just be gentle with it. It should come off, otherwise just heat up a little bit. So we remove the LCD now, put it aside. Let's see now with the charging pin. Looks that somebody tried to do it before. You see, it's not passing the voltages, so I think the charging pin is faulty. Let's change the charging pin quickly. First, I'm going to solder the points to see that if it can work. So as you can see that I'm done with the soldering the points. Now we'll just quickly check it onto the meter. You can see that we did not have to change the charging pin here. So one is this way, and another way you can also test it with the battery connector. Before it was showing low voltages, now you can see there onto the meter that is showing full voltages. So we're going to assemble it and check that if it is charging. I'm going to put back the board. Quickly insert this and touch back. Now put the back cover back. So once we put the battery, so now you can see that it's charging. So sometimes you don't even need to change the charging pin. You can just resolder it and you can save your time and money both, and it start working. So that's how basically you change a charging pin or fix a charging problem on Vodafone 695. Please share my video, like it, subscribe my channel. I need subscription. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.